Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how I monetize this RV parts review blog in less than 72 hours. And just to show you my earnings the last 30 days, I've made $174 in commissions. Keep in mind, I launched this in mid-July. So for 90 days, making $174, that's pretty amazing in my opinion, and a far cry from what you see from most bloggers. So if you're interested in learning how I did this, stick around, like and subscribe, and I think you'll get a lot from it. Okay, so uh, the first thing I want to let you know is that I already had Amazon Associates set up. So if you're not signed up to Amazon Associates, I recommend signing up. It's free to join. And this is what will actually allow you to refer things on Amazon and make commission. Okay, so once you're signed up, the goal is to find a underrated blog niche. So I simply just go to ChatGPT and say, give me a list of underrated niches that I can write a affiliate blog on using Amazon. Okay, and so ChatGPT is going to quickly give me a list of underrated items, and this is exactly what I did. So we got pet and tech accessories, RV and camper essentials. This is why I created RV parts reviews. And so once you kind of see one that sticks out to you, the next step is to start finding where these audiences are. So let's just say I'm going to do, let's see, I'll do pet and tech accessories. So how I find an audience for this is I'll go to Reddit and I'll start searching pet accessories, right? And then I'm going to quickly see the communities where my audience is. They're in the subreddit called dogs. They're in this dog training subreddit. Um, Pets subreddit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start joining all these subreddits. So once you start joining subreddits, you just want to start engaging with people. So find popular threads and just start thoughtfully engaging. It doesn't have to be promote anything. You're not selling affiliates stuff right now. You're not throwing links out. You're just engaging. And the longer you spend in these subreddits, the more times you comment and the more times you add value, you're going to accrue karma. Um, and that's going to pay off later when you start promoting your blog and promoting your affiliate links. Okay, so once you've got some karma and you have an idea for what your audience is talking about, the kind of problems they're facing, and you understand the communities where your audience are, you'll want to start getting your actual blog ideas. So I would say we're doing pet and tech accessories. Okay, so I'll ask ChatGPT again for pet and tech accessories. Give me bottom of the funnel. Now this is key. So when I say bottom of the funnel, I mean content where people are looking for purchase recommendations and they're looking for product comparisons. And you'll see what ChatGPT spits out. So for pet and tech accessories, give me bottom of the funnel content, say blog titles. That's all I have to leave it at right there. So all right, so we got best GPS dog collars to keep your pet safe, Fi and Whistle, which GPS trackers worth your money, top 7 automatic cat feeders, litter, robot versus pet safe. So all these great ideas, and these are things that people are going to be searching for when they're going to be making a decision or when they want to make a purchase. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these ideas and we're going to see if there's an audience for it. So I'm going to just copy this. I'm going to head over to Google And I'm just going to paste that in, best GPS dog collars. I'll leave out the long tail, just keep best GPS dog collars. And what I'm looking for is a Reddit thread. And so here I go. GPS collar recommendations are husky. So again, this is a thread I'm going to want to pay attention to. I'll just open this up. And what I want to see is if, first of all, if this thread is commentable. Then I know that this is a thread that I want to distribute my link in. So this person's asking for, out of an abundance of caution, I'm looking for buying a pair of GPS collars to track my husky, my two husky mixed pups. Okay, so this is perfect. I'm going to take this and I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, create the article, best GPS dog collars, paying attention to the following subreddit comment or post, I should say. All right, so this is amazing, right? Best GPS dog collars for escape-prone pups in 2025. It's going to give me an awesome breakdown, and it's going to make some recommendations. So now I have my blog, my first blog, and really what you do now is you just create this blog post. If you don't have a blog yet, now is the time to sign up, right? Or you might want to collect a couple of these ideas first, create a couple articles first, and then once you create them, you're linking to your Amazon product, right? So you want to make sure that this product is available on Amazon. So I'll just search this and see. It looks like it does have it. Here's that collar, right? And I'm going to write this blog and just place my link somewhere, right? If you're a member of Amazon affiliates, you get this link, and this is how they know to tie this purchase to you. So once you write that blog post, you're going to want to just post it naturally directly in Reddit, right? As a comment here in the original thread that you found it. Remember, you want to come across natural. You just don't want to throw your link out with no context. Provide some context that adds value to the conversation, and then naturally include your link. And you simply just repeat this over and over and over. Find different threads, find different topics, and share your links to this built-in massive audience. So you can search for things manually in Google, or you can use this tool I built called WhatsUp. What it does is it finds popular Reddit threads based on a search criteria, and it returns the best Reddit threads to place those links. It even helps you come up with content ideas. So here I have GPS dog trackers and R camping. Here's that same article, GPS collar recommendations, and I can actually run what's called Content IQ, and I can get content ideas right here. So it kind of combines the Google search, Reddit, and what ChatGPT does. So you can see it recommends creating a buying guide, and it also tells you related threads. So once you create that blog piece, you can find all these related threads to distribute your link in. And then when you want to thoughtfully distribute your link, you can actually automatically generate a reply that links to your article. So I'm going to just show you how this works. I'm going to generate a reply. And here we go. So it gives a recommendation. It gives a nice place to naturally include your article. So if you're interested, I would check out WhatsUp and sign up for a free trial. Okay, well, there you have it. I hope you got something out of this video, and thanks for joining.